Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, creamy spinach mushroom shrimp shells. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. Add the onions and saute for a few minutes. Add the garlic and then saute for about another minute. Add the chili peppers, the mushrooms, and then add the seasoning and continue to saute. Add the shrimp and saute. The hot jacuzzi's ready. The shells are in the jacuzzi. I add the cream and stir. And then I add the baby spinach and stir to incorporate. Then I add the grated Parmesan and stir it in. I add the diced tomato and stir it in. The shells are all ready. I add the shells to the brazier. Stir to combine. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.